There is a new Sony Xperia phone in Japan, the Xperia 8 Lite. But many have noticed it's almost exactly the same as the Xperia 10 from 2019, just with one important change. You can find the Xperia 8 Lite listed on Sony Japan's website, and if you take a look through the spec list, you can see it all looks very similar to the Xperia 10. The phone is still on sale in many regions, but it has been suspended in Sony's lineup by the Xperia 10 Mark II that launched earlier in 2020. Both phones have a 6-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 2870 mAh battery, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor. These specs were indicative of a cheaper phone in early 2019, and they look pretty outdated now, especially regarding the aging chipset and small battery size. The key difference in the Sony Xperia 8 Lite compared to the Xperia 10 is the cameras. While the older phone had 13MP main and 5MP depth sensing snappers, the newer phone has a 12MP and 8MP combo. It's likely these are using new sensors that weren't available when the Xperia 10 was out. Otherwise, the company wouldn't have replaced the main snapper with the lower resolution one. There's no word on Sony Xperia 8 Lite release date outside of Japan. But we are not holding our breath because the Sony Xperia 8 launched in late 2019 and never left the country. Maybe it's for the best. Sony's phone naming conventions can be quite a bit to get your head around, and having the same phone in its name spectrum twice under different names makes that even more confusing. In Sony's pantheon, lower numbers are better, so the Sony Xperia 1 was a more premium phone than the Xperia 10, and newer versions of these phones are denoted with Mark in the name. So the Xperia 1 Mark II is an upgraded version of the Xperia 1. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.